initiating with the greatest name of Allah Almighty, who is the most merciful and most beneficent, who is the creator of you, me, and whole this entire world, by the grace of Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Honorable Director and all the Habibians, I greet you with Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
As you know that today's our topic is benefits of mobile phones. My dear friends, here are uncountable benefits of mobile phones. So here are many benefits of mobile phone, but it's depend upon you that which type of people are you. You are getting benefits from your mobile phone or you are getting loss from your mobile phone. Now it's depend upon yourself. As you know that in this modern world, everyone has mobile. Everyone has mobile. Even a 10 years old child has a mobile phone. So, what are you thinking that a 10 years old child will get benefits from mobile phone? So it's a mistake of parents that they are providing mobile phone to their youngest children, to their little children. So my dear friends, here are many benefits of mobile phone. If you are using mobile phone in positive way, you can achieve many benefits of mobile phone. Even you are not educated people, but you have to be skills of using mobile phones, that how to use mobiles. If you are expert in using mobile phone, that you are getting benefits of your mobile phone. Means if you will be expert in using mobile phone, then you will create a YouTube channel and you will start earning from your YouTube channel. Then means you can get full benefits from using your mobile phone. Mobile phone is that device with the help of mobile phone we can stay connected with our relatives. We can stay connected with our friends. We can stay connected with our parents, no matter where we are in this world, where we are. In everywhere we can stay connected with our friends. We can stay connected with our relatives. We can stay connected with our family members. After that, if you will use it in bad way, if you will use it only watching videos, if you will use it only using games, then it will be loss of you. Then it will be loss of your money. Then it will be loss of your father's money. Then it will be loss of your dream. Then it will be loss of your father's dream. You should not think that if my dreams will be destroyed, then my father's dream will not destroy. Because your father has more dreams about you. From yourself, your father has more dreams about you. Your father is not mental that he is giving you money for school. Your father is not mental that he is giving money for you for education, for schools, for academies. He has dream for you. He is thinking that one day my son will be something. One day my son will be a businessman. One day my son will get a good job. He will write my name. He will write his future. If you are not using mobile phone in good way, then your time will be waste. Your money will be waste. And as you know that if your time will be waste, your future will be waste. If your time will be waste, your dreams will be waste. If your time will be waste, your goal will be waste. You cannot achieve your goal, what you have thought about yourself. So it's our responsibility, if our parents are providing us mobile phone, that it's our responsibility that we should use it in positive way. If we will not use it in positive way, it will be loss of ourselves. Thank you friends. I like to take my place.